Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to solve Terabox app network connection problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, there are a few methods that you can do in order to resolve this issue. The first and the most important method is updating your Terabox application. So head over to your App Store or Play Store, and then you're going to need to simply search for Terabox. Now once you search for this, you just need to make sure to update this to the latest version. Now, once you have updated to the latest version, you need to make sure to also check the server status. So just like gaming or any other app's network connection error register on a particular website, Terabox also have that. So open up any browser that you are using, and then you just need to search for Terabox network down. Now, once you search for this, you're just going to need to make sure to check the full reports going on, which is going to help you. Because if the Terabox is down, it is going to be a worldwide problem. So you just need to make sure to wait at least 24 hours. And this is going to fix automatically. Also, make sure to change your network connections between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Simply enable Wi-Fi and then cellular data. Make sure to switch between them. And if so, make sure to turn on your VPN at the same time. Now, once you do so, you just need to also make sure to restart your device, and it might help you resolve this issue. So that's basically how you can solve Terabox app network connection problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.